the blue hemisphere, the east. How on earth could I not love it since it's not lying? And you probably think it's a rock cutting. In truth, I might do shot something while they joke hunting, or place a best in the dough, money they got coming. Fill the drinking holes, bitter ghost. I'm in out of time, think it's cold. Flicking wax and thinking souls. Skip the big city gold rush, rigmarole. Couldn't see me living on a different coast. Orange skies and fields of gold. Born on charming estate. You won't find me if you ask for my name. I made the fastest escape. Coach on patchwork landscapes, carving my lane. The aspiration pin, putting stars on the cake. No role models, you either kick lever or restriction lane. I figured for the kids, it's a Kim and dying situation. Reason I'm reconsidering like I ain't got shit to do today except shit shake.
Yo, don'tflop.com back here in the building. This is Don't Flop, Blood in the Water, 5th and final. London, make some noise if you're in the building. Big up Represent and Burning Card and every other logo you saw in the intro, man. Check out their shit. Some of them are offering discount prices on their clothes if you're a Don't Flop viewer, man. Anyway, this is the 5th and final Blood in the Water. This is one of the only other UK vs UK battles we got on the lineup today. It's going to be real interesting, man. I'm going to say on the right-hand side, my man just hit SBTV for the 3rd time this year from Manchester, Blizzard. Make some noise.
Yo, listen up though. We got everyone that's came out today. This is going to be a fucking classic event. Make some fucking noise!
Make sure you check out, search SBTV F64 Blizzard. Watch my man's FC tour. It'll be out very soon. Probably out by the time this battle's online. And on the left-hand side, my man's a real interesting cat on the poetry scene. If you ever see a dead poet show in your town, go see it. I went to see it myself. It's fucking insane. Mark Grist, make some noise.
Thanks very much.
Like I said, Dead Poets is Mixie and Mark Grist. You've seen Mixie on Don't Flop as well. Check out their show if you see it flying through it, man. You're going first, right? Yep. Blizzard and Mark agreed. It's Blizzard up first, 90 seconds. Let's go.
Yo! My last battle was a classic. Now Don't Flop has thrown me in the fucking ditch. Because I don't want to seem sexist. Yeah, he's only giving me another bitch. Nothing, fine. Fuck you, Mr. Grist. I don't like your lessons no more. All you talk about is how my attendance is poor. And you've been on my case more so than ever before, so I'll give you a left to the jaw if you ever report. Whatever you sober, and if I get expelled against Shorty, you'll get it some more. You see Mixie as your companion, and you think that he's your buddy, because you both got master's degrees in dick-related studies. And yeah, you might have good holidays and be swimming in the money, but with all that marking you have to do, I bet you wish you was a dummy. Marking, no? But hold up, you know what I mean? But hold up, Mixie, I'm taking a Mixie. You could Mixie and my drink and still could never lick me. I'll make Mixie that the dead poet's a history. I'm like the 10th Olympian and you're a motherfucking pixie. When punchlines hit Mark Grist, I know they will Mark Grist. Your name is a grain, so of course I'll tear apart Grist. And I don't care about dead poets, dead poetry. After this, you'll be a corpse under a dead poet tree. I'm always on the ball. I should be back healing. I won't stop rapping till my hand's peeling and this guy gets sacked for his bad teaching. If I get gully, you'll feel a pain in your back region. Smash glass, pain in your back region. Then you'll know what it's like to be on the wrong side of a glass ceiling. I heard teacher versus student battle, and I wasn't going to class. I get to battle that nerdy bastard who failed at controlling a class. You knobhead, I hope you drop dead. If I punch you in the face, who are you gonna call? Ofsted? Time.
That's time. 90 seconds on Mark Grist. Let's go, man.
Okay.
To those at home who are sitting watching YouTube, don't start clicking. I know this might look like some kind of extreme babysitting. It is. Hey, it's actually a rap battle. Two grown men lyrically bitching. Just one of us isn't legally old enough to drink inside the building. And now, Buddy's gonna try and act less infantile by pretending that he's proper riled. So sit back, watch him reconcile with his lack of breastfeeding as a child. That's why this ugly duckling suckling from the teat of any bumpkin with a beat or means of dumping his meaningless shit on something. And the speed of words you're mumbling hides the fact they don't mean nothing. He may have beat the witch from Oz, but it's time for me to teach this munchkin. You will never amount to something. And I'm here to raise a grievance. Big up everyone whose parents have property in Manchester, mate, that's not a fucking achievement. It's not. This blizzard litter's got no fire, it's just hot air he's breathing, and when all's said and done, as the years drag on, you look even more like Deborah Meaden. This rapper's pint-sized. He's cockeyed. When he raps, his mouth only actually moves on one side. He's like A prepubescent Popeye, complete with physique that implies that all the spinach in the world has died. And look at him try, this poor little chap, like so many anemics I've seen in my class, dreams of riding up high on a unicorn's back or defending the world from an orchestra attack. You wank off in sandals to pictures of Gandalf you stack with the mags in your porn stash. He's got a hard on for wizards. He only called himself Blizzard because that's the company that made World of Warcraft.
Yo, real lyrics, man. Yo, every bar you've ever spat was a sack of pig shit. They say that words are weapons, then you must be pacifistic. I've hated you since the day I first heard you, I was antagonistic. And this next round is gonna be fucking painful like it's masochistic. It doesn't take much for me to tell you that you're lame. That's why you've gotta die like a board game. Exactly, it's a creeper, man. You're trying to act like you're the boss of Don't Flop, like you're rowing. Acting like you're all-seeing and all-knowing. But you're in a canoe with no paddles, bitch, it looks like you're rowing. And I'm gonna get rid of Mark like when Germany brought the Euro in. Wait, hold on. I'll come back to you in a second, don't worry, man. Fuck anyone that says my battle with H-Bomb was a stroke of luck. I just hated being a laughing stock that I couldn't give a sugar-coated fuck. I'm feeling drunk off disrespect now, and I've got no plans to sober up. The same guys that sent me death threats now wanna hold my nuts. The battlers that name drop me, I'm scaring them with ease. I'm an embarrassing pain to them like a venereal disease. So bring up all your fiction, man, I dare you do it, please. Cause you only talk gas, Mark, on various degrees. Yo, so wave to the camera. You haven't got any hope. You might as well look into the sky and ask God for the rope. It's like I'm looking at JFK's head from an optical scope. You're the dead president and I won't stop till you slope. This battle journey's been insane. Peace, sir, it's still taking me on a trek. Yet this guy's music couldn't even feed him a check. So escape the premises, bitch. You better leave in a sec before I turn your little classroom into Peterborough Tech. Time!
Bradley's last battle showcased his innate ability to hurl abuse